Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Chase credit card number on Chase app. So we're loaded up here in real time. The easiest way to do this is to find your statement, which we have up here towards the top right hand side. You can also find this in the more section. So from up here, we're going to click on where it says statements and documents. You can see right here, and then in this section over here, you have a couple different options, but we want to go ahead and click on statements here at the very top. And from here, it's going to show all the different accounts you have. Go ahead and click on the account that you want to go ahead and find that card number on. Now from here, this is going to take you to your statements for that particular card. Go ahead and click on the most recent statements. You can see here for us, it's this month. So let's go ahead and click on this. All right, so we went ahead and loaded up our statement right over here. Now we are pretty zoomed out here, but this is the first page, and I will zoom in here for you. So as well, now you should see the Chase logo up here at the very top. You might have the Amazon logo. You might not. Either way, you should still see your Chase logo. If you actually go ahead and look down on still the very first page, you should see again your Chase logo again if you have Amazon. If not, no problem. You should still see Chase to the right hand side of that. It's going to be your card number. Obviously, there is a couple of other numbers on top of that too, but the first 16 digits is your credit card number. So I went ahead and zoomed in again, and you can see the Chase logo, and to the right of that is that card number for you, and I'm verifying that that is exact same number that I have on my actual card that I have present with me, and that's how you find your Chase credit card number on the Chase app. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.